Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to anatomy, anterior triangle of neck. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now today topic is anterior triangle of neck. In today topic, our topic outline is boundaries of anterior triangle of neck, content of anterior triangle of neck, subdivision of anterior triangle of neck. First we start from boundaries. Now in boundaries, this is the inferior border of mandible, and this is the midline of neck, and this is the interior border of sternocleidomastoid muscle. These three structure in inferior border of mandible, midline of neck, and interior border of sternocleidomastoid make a triangle in the interior region of neck, which is called anterior triangle of neck, and it is present bilaterally, mean on the both side of neck. Now we study it one side because both are similar. Now in boundaries of anterior triangle of neck, the superior border of anterior triangle of neck is formed by inferior border of mandible, and the medial border of anterior triangle of neck is formed by midline of neck, and the lateral border of anterior triangle of neck is formed by interior border of sternocleidomastoid muscle. Now in boundaries, superior border formed by inferior border of mandible, and medial border, this border formed by midline of neck, and the lateral border is formed by interior border of sternocleidomastoid. Now after boundaries, come to the content of anterior triangle of neck. There are 5 content which are present in the interior border of neck. Number 1 is muscle, which is suprahyoid, infrahyoid muscle. Second is artery, mean common carotid artery. The third is vein, mean internal jugular vein. And the fourth is lymph nodes, mean submental submandibular lymph node. And the fifth is nerves, means 7th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th cranial nerve. These are the content of anterior triangle of neck. The third outline is, topic outline is subdivisions of anterior triangle of neck. Now remember, 3 structure divide the anterior triangle of neck into 4 subdivision, mean 4 sub triangle. These 3 structure are suprahyoid muscle, hyoid bone, and infrahyoid muscle. These 3 structure divide the anterior triangle of neck into 4 sub triangle, into 4 subdivision, mean 4 sub triangle, which name is carotid triangle, submental triangle, submandibular triangle, and muscular triangle. First we study the carotid triangle. Now in carotid triangle, first we study the diagram of anterior triangle of neck, then we study the border of anterior triangle of neck, then we study the content. Same process we follow here. In subdivision, first we understand the diagram of subdivision triangle, then its border, then its content, and we should write the same process in exam in theory. Like first we draw the diagram in paper, then we write the boundaries of triangle, then we write the content of triangle. Now first we start the uh, diagram of carotid triangle. This is the same inferior border of mandible. This is the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and like we already study, three structure divide the interior triangle of neck into subdivision, which is suprahyoid muscle, hyoid bone, and infrahyoid muscle. Now here, this is the hyoid bone. This red is the suprahyoid muscle, mean digastric muscle, and this is the infrahyoid muscle which present below the hyoid bone, which is omohyoid muscle. Now this is the posterior border of digastric. This is the posterior belly of digastric muscle, and this is the interior belly of digastric muscle, which show in red color. Now the digastric muscle posterior belly insert in hyoid bone, and then interior belly is emerge from hyoid bone. Now the carotid triangle is formed between interior border of sternocleidomastoid and posterior belly of digastric and superior belly of omohyoid muscle. This is the omohyoid muscle, this is superior belly of omohyoid muscle, this is the inferior belly of omohyoid muscle. Now the carotid triangle, why it's called carotid triangle? Because common carotid artery are present in this triangle. Now the diagram, this is the carotid triangle. Mean carotid triangle are formed between three structures. Number one, interior border of sternocleidomastoid. Number two, posterior belly of digastric, and number three, superior belly of omohyoid muscle. Now, like superior border, this is the superior border of carotid triangle. Superior border is formed by posterior belly of digastric, This is the red is the posterior belly of digastric. Inferior border, this inferior border is formed by omohyoid muscle. Lateral border, this border of triangle is formed by medial border of sternocleidomastoid. Now this is the carotid triangle. Here this is the superior border, this is inferior border, and this is the lateral border of triangle, which is formed by medial border of sternocleidomastoid. This is the diagram, and these are the boundaries of carotid triangle. Now come to the content. In content, like its name show, there will be common carotid artery CCA, and IJV mean internal jugular vein, and the third is hypoglossal nerve, and the fourth is vagus nerve. These are the subdivision carotid triangle diagram, border, and content. Now after this we will study submental, submandibular, and muscular triangle. Now first we studied the carotid triangle is subdivision, the second is submental triangle. Now first we study the diagram of submental triangle, then border, then content. First, why why carotid triangle is called carotid triangle? Because common carotid artery is present in carotid triangle, therefore the name given is carotid triangle. Second triangle is submental triangle. Why called submental triangle? Because the submental lymph node are present in submental triangle. The third is submandibular triangle. Why called submandibular triangle? Because submandibular lymph node and salivary gland are present in submandibular triangle. The fourth is muscular triangle. Why called muscular triangle? Because infrahyoid muscle are present in muscular triangle. Now submental triangle. This is the diagram of submental triangle. How we draw the diagram of submental triangle? First we draw the inferior border of mandible, then sternocleidomastoid muscle, then midline of neck, then hyoid bone, and then we draw the posterior belly of digastric, which are show in red color here, which are insert in hyoid bone. Then from hyoid bone, the interior belly of digastric is emerged. This is the interior belly, this is the posterior belly of digastric. Now the submental triangle are found between three structure. Number 1, interior belly of digastric. Number 2, hyoid bone. Number 3, midline of neck. This triangle is called the submental triangle. Now submental triangle border, lateral border. Now the lateral border, this lateral border of submental triangle is formed by interior belly of digastric. The inferior border of submental triangle are formed by hyoid bone, and the medial border of submental triangle are formed by midline of neck. This is the midline of neck. This is the lateral border of triangle. This is the triangle which I show in dot. And this is the lateral border of triangle is formed by interior belly of digastric. The medial border are formed by midline of neck, and the inferior border is formed by hyoid bone. This is the submental triangle. Now lateral border is formed by interior belly of digastric muscle. This is, and medial border is formed by midline of neck. This is the midline of neck, and inferior border is formed by hyoid bone. This is the submental triangle. Now after diagram and border, come to the content. The content of the submental triangle is submental lymph node, therefore it is called submental triangle. Now the third is submandibular triangle. First we understand the diagram, then border, and then content. To draw submandibular triangle, first we draw the inferior border of mandible, then sternocleidomastoid, and then hyoid bone, and then posterior belly of digastric, and then interior belly of digastric. Now submandibular triangle are again found between three structures. Number 1, inferior border of mandible. Number 2, posterior belly of digastric, and number 3, interior belly of digastric. This is the submandibular triangle. Now the superior border of submandibular triangle is found by inferior border of mandible, and its posterior border of submandibular triangle is found by posterior belly of digastric, and its interior belly and interior border of submandibular triangle is found by interior belly of digastric. Now superior border is found by inferior border of mandible. This is the inferior border of mandible, and this is the superior border of submandibular triangle, which is found by inferior border of mandible. Now second is interior border. Interior border, this border, interior border is found by interior belly of digastric. The third is posterior border. Posterior border of submandibular triangle is found by posterior belly of digastric. And the fourth, these are the three borders: superior border, interior border, and posterior border. Now content of submandibular triangle. The content of submandibular triangle is submandibular lymph nodes, submandibular salivary glands, and facial artery and facial vein also pass through submandibular triangle. Now the fourth is muscular triangle. Like other triangle, carotid triangle, submandibular triangle are found between three structures, but muscular triangle is found between four structures. Now this is the diagram of muscular triangle. How we draw it? We draw the inferior border of mandible and the sternocleidomastoid muscle and the midline of neck and hyoid bone and superior belly of omohyoid, which show in red, and inferior belly of omohyoid. Now this muscular triangle which I show in dot, the superior border of this triangle is formed by hyoid bone, the medial border is formed by midline of neck, and the lateral border is formed by two structures. Superior lateral is formed by superior belly of omohyoid, and inferior lateral border of muscular triangle is formed by the interior border of sternocleidomastoid or inferior portion of sternocleidomastoid. Muscular triangle superior border is formed by hyoid bone, medial border is formed by midline of neck, superior lateral border is formed by this red superior lateral. This lateral superiorly, the lateral border is formed by superior belly of omohyoid. This is red is superior belly of omohyoid. This is inferior belly of omohyoid. Now superior lateral is formed by superior belly of omohyoid and inferior lateral border. This inferior lateral border is formed by interior border of sternocleidomastoid or inferior portion of sternocleidomastoid. Now after muscular triangle diagram border, now come to the content. In content there are four structure are found in muscular triangle. Number 1, infrahyoid muscle. Number 2, pharynx. Number 3, thyroid gland. And number 4, parathyroid gland. These are the subdivision of interior triangle, which are 4 triangle: carotid triangle, submental triangle, submandibular triangle, and muscular triangle. Now in today's video we studied the anterior triangle of neck, borders mean boundaries of anterior triangle of neck, content of anterior triangle of neck, diagram of anterior triangle of neck, and the third is subdivision of anterior triangle of neck, which is sub triangle, which are 4 subdivisions. Number 1, carotid triangle. Number 2, submental triangle. Number 3, submandibular triangle. Number 4, muscular triangle. And we also studied the submandibular subdivision triangle, each triangle diagram, content, border. Now today our topic interior triangle of neck is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the on notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.